My name is 𝗪𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗿. I'm here to thanks for many things and for many people. First of all, Vinyasa Yogashala. Here, I was actually completed my 2 hours of teacher training of yoga. Have learned a lot of things from here. I would like to say something, beautiful. Whatever I have felt here, let me tell you. This place is full of peace, full of knowledge, full of, the family atmosphere, we can say. And this place, I got a lot of things from here about myself, my body, how can heal yourself after this teacher training. And I got this certificate from here. As I told you, I have completed my 2 hours teacher training here. What is the important things and very attractive and beautiful things are here? Few, like their gurus. Very nice, very friendly, and sometimes very strict. Okay, and of course the staff, rooms, I'm telling you, I'm very fussy about room, the cleanliness and the food, but everything is perfect here. Teaching, oh, like I am in a school, my school days I'm remembering here only. Okay, it was wonderful experience again. And how can I forget to say thanks to my lovely husband? He is the one only who suggested me to go and just live your life with yoga. Here, many things are there, like the few new words are there, like yin yoga, I never heard about this, sound healing, and what else I can say, it was river rafting, the best thing, river rafting, okay? And of course, the yoga, nothing can beat yoga. This is wonderful things. Everyone who is listening, watching this video, please come and try once this place. This is amazing. And what else I can say? I'm leaving my heart here. Oh my God. Thank you.